Kitty!
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 Eat my foot!
Kitty!
Eat my foot!
Kitty!
Maybe we'll get
Kitty!
Throw it down the stairs and maybe he'll chase it.
Kitty!
He's trying to eat it.
Kitty!
He likes your yawn.
Kitty! Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa!
Kitty! Eat the yarn.
Kitty!
Swallow the yarn.
It's not the yarn, it's the shoelace.
Why do you have a shoelace to attack?
I don't know.
He's trying to catch it.
Kitty!
Why do you keep saying? You don't have to keep saying kitty.
I know.
Kitty.
Kitty! 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 Kitty!
Kitty. Eat the string of shoelace, or else I won't take you to Shoelace World tomorrow.
Kitty!
Shoelace World is the best place ever. You can eat all the shoelaces.
Kitty!
So
They're made
eat
of-
it.
Oh, nom, nom, nom. Oh, I got the shoelace.
Just pick it up.
I'm not gonna pick it up.
It's not like he's gonna scratch you to death.
Yeah, it kinda will.
Oh.
And video.